Well, alright guys, here we are with another episode of Cringeostrophic Disclosure. And today, what I wanted to talk about is brilliant, innovative ideas. A long time ago, I built this really interesting thing, which was a bunch of puzzle pieces that you could put together. And then I built this really cool structure. It wasn't like a pyramid, it was like a reproduction of the Eiffel Tower, and it was pretty cool. And then I thought, well, what else can I make with these cool things here? Because, the Eiffel Tower has been collecting dust in the garage, and nobody liked my puzzle. Nobody would build this puzzle system in real life. I even made these that you could 3D print so that people could just without even buying them, they could just download them and 3D print them and then play with them. Because it's pretty simple stuff. It's a little bit like Legos, but it only goes in one direction. Or, you could do different things like that. All kinds of things that you can build. I even made like a little puzzle and stuff out of these things. You can actually make pyramids. Not as cool as the ones in Giza, obviously, but what do I want to talk about today? The point is that as Eli the computer guy talks about all the time, what if the brilliant idea that you've had, right? Like, I made this really cool 3D printable puzzle car that you could put together, and it was awesome. It was really cool. I built it a couple of times. I 3D printed it, and it works. It works. And then Ravensburger built it. It's not 3D printable, and they sell it, and they make a lot of money out of it. Because you, the little guy, will never get your stuff out there. You'll just never do that. Especially if all of your ideas are in conflict with the powers that be, right? We have all of these progressives. What's Cenk's song and Anna Kasparian's song that's so fun? Cenk Uygur and... Oh yeah, there's nothing we could do. 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 There's nothing... And you can just keep repeating, because the progressives are like that, right? There's nothing we can do. And maybe they're right. Maybe they are right. Maybe they are correct about there is nothing you can do. Why? Because just look at my life and look at my father's life before my life. He had all of these brilliant ideas just like me. And I never get any comments in my YouTube channel. Like, ever. Ever. But the AI bots found time to rip apart my latest idea. My latest idea was a glove or some kind of product similar to this that you can wear. And the point of it is to use two systems that have been out there forever. It's a little bit like the dynamo. It's a little bit like those watches where you shake it and the battery goes on forever. And it's also things like we have all kinds of cool products that you put underneath your skin and that use the power of heat, right, from your body to power themselves. So I thought, what's a need, right? Because you always need to fill, in business, you always have to find a need and then fill that need. Find a problem and then find a solution, right? We have a big problem in America right now, right? Maha is out there. Maha is talking about this all the time. And the progressives are talking about it all this time. Oh no, our kids are spending too much time on the phone and brain rot with TikTok and all the other Facebook and Instagram and all that stuff. So I thought, what a brilliant idea. What if you could create a game where kids wear something like a glove or, something else on their body, and they use the power of vibration, right? When you run, you create vibration through your body, and natural heat. Your body gets hot, so it speeds up the process of charging this device, and then when you get home and your device is fully charged, then you can attach your phone to it, and that charges the battery, right? So the whole goal is you work out, and you get people to do more of a workout, and people can't use their phone unless it's charged, so that means they have less screen time. There's basically no downside to this. And the objection I got